Hello viewers. How it's going? Hopefully, you're all doing well. Welcome to a new video with the top 5 interesting facts in the world. Do you know the formula of Coca Cola was almost revealed by an employee? But why it didn't? Can honey go bad? Or, why there is a little hole in the pen cap? And how can it save your life? Do you know, why can't you tickle yourself? Or, what is the common thing among Google, Apple, Amazon, Disney or Harley Davidson? This video is based on some interesting facts like these. This video is going to be very interesting for all of you. So, don't skip the video. And watch the video until the end. So, let's get started. Fact number 1, honey. We all know the use of honey. We use this in our daily life for various purposes. Honey is good for our health and skin. It increases our beauty, helps to lose weight and also makes our hair beautiful. But do you know how long honey can be stored? Honey is such a food that is never going bad. As long as the lid stays on it and no water is added to it, honey will not go bad. You can store honey for 1 day, 10 days, 1 year or for a lifetime. It won't be wasted ever. It is like immortal. Fact number 2, Coca Cola formula thief. In 2006, an employee of the Coca Cola company did a serious crime. He tried to sell the secret formula of Coca Cola to its competitor company PepsiCo. But you will be amazed to know that PepsiCo denied the proposal and informed the incident to the Coca Cola company. PepsiCo really did a great job and showed honesty. They could have earned billions of dollars using Coca Cola's formula. But they didn't. How amazing is that? What do you think of this? Let us know in the comment section below. Fact number 3, the history of large companies. Google, Apple, Amazon, Disney, Harley Davidson. These are some of the largest companies in the world. There is no one who doesn't know these names. Google, Apple, Amazon, Disney, Harley Davidson, these companies have a common fact. They all have started from a small garage. This can motivate you all. They prove that if you have a strong determination to your work, you will become successful one day. They started from a small garage, but now they have reached such a position that everyone wants to be like them. So, never give up. And try your level best from where you are now. Fact number 4, tickling yourself. We all do fun by tickling others. You may also have a tickle. But you can never tickle yourself. When you try to do that, your brain already senses that you are going to do any activity on your body. But when any other person does, you can feel this. I think you are trying this at this moment. Fact number 5, little hole in the pen cap. We all have noticed the small hole in the pen cap. Many of us think that this hole is made to protect the pen from getting damaged. Some think that it is a style. But most of us don't know the actual reason. Firstly, if this cap doesn't have this hole, the air inside it will create pressure whenever you try to insert the pen in it. Secondly, the most important reason is, it is made to avoid an accident. Many of us have a bad habit of biting the cap. Especially the kids. Sometimes, accidentally it might go into their mouth and can trap into the trachea. This hole helps to breathe until the doctor does anything to put out the cap. So viewers, how was today's video? Which fact was interesting to you? Let us know in the comment section below. If any of these facts are unknown to you, please do like and subscribe to the video. Also, don't forget to tap the bell icon for getting more interesting facts around the world daily. Please subscribe, like, share and be with us for the next video.